Hello, superstars. Look at the page. B, uppercase B, lowercase b, or small b, capital B, small b, uppercase B, or lowercase b. Look at capital B, fully occupied, total 2 boxes. Lowercase b, reverse C from 2 onwards, only in the lowercase. Line then. B for ball. B, 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 ball. B for B. B for ball. B for B. Wherever we find B sound, we will start with the letter great B. Look at the letter how to write. Start at 1. Come down. Then start at 2. Then start at 3. Complete the dots like this as shown in the arrow. 1 to bottom, 2 to side like this, 3 to like this. Uppercase B is finished. Then look at lowercase b. Start at 1, come down, then from 2, reverse C. Reverse C from 2. Look at this. Write uppercase B, lowercase b as it is in the following lines. First, write over the dotted letters, then in the empty lines. Again dotted letters, again empty lines. Again dotted letters, again empty lines. In last 2 lines, upper line is removed. Just approximately you have to turn the letter in the upper case. Now pause the video, start to write the pitch. Best of luck, sweethearts.